Here's a 2019 Ram 1500. Nature can be nasty, but this 1500 is built to take it on. It empowers you to conquer all of life's terrains. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer hitch receiver, external memory control, keyless go, leather steering wheel, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.